Hey everyone, myself Arun, and today I'm discussing about the solution of this question. Kilgore's Delhi is a small delicatessen located near a major university. Kilgore's does a large walk-in carry-out lunch businesses. The Delhi offers two luncheon and chili specials, Wimpy and Dial 911. So here, in this paragraph, they have provided us the constants, and in this question, they are provided into four parts. And in part A, we need to develop the LP model that will tell Calgary how many servings of Wimpy and Dial 911 to make in order to maximize his profit today. Then in part B, we need to find the optimal solution. Then in part C, what is the dual value for special sauce? And we need to interpret that dual value. Then in the part D, if the increase of the amount of special sausage available by 1 ounce, and then we need to resolve it. And when we resolve it, does the solution confirm the answer to part C? Give the new solution. So here I have solved this question using Excel solver and formulas. So I'm going back to Excel solution. So here first this one is our answer report one that I have fixed my setup Excel solver, and this report has been automatically gets generated. And the answer for which we have getted is 12.72. And this sheet is providing part A, B, and C for which each question makes. So part A, I have solved it using Excel solver, and this is my solver setup where this is decision variables. Then our goal is to maximize the profit. So here I've taken W as a servings of Wimpy to made, and then dial 900 to make it. So W is Wimpy servings, and D is dial 911, where decision variables is W and T here. And then we have the constants, which I have grabbed from the question itself. And here, this first constant belongs to beef, then second constant belongs to onions, then the third constant belongs to special sauce, and then the fourth one is hot sauce. Here, the goal is to maximize profit. So here, these constants I have taken from the question itself, and this 12.72 is our final answer. So objective, and then this one is our part B answer, and then this one is our part C. So the dual values of special sausage is 0.09, which I have got from the question itself. So here, this one is our sensitivity report, and here I have this one is our schedule price for part constant third. So this one is the C part, and the D part again I have used Excel solver, and the final answer is 12.81 using Excel formulas and solver. So these are all the parts of the question. So if you need this Excel is the in Excel file, and the question, you can just reach me out over my email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. And of course, you can also reach me out directly on my phone WhatsApp number, which definitely I'm sharing you in the description part of this video. Apart from that, if you have any other questions to solve through me, or if you're stuck in any question, or if you require any help in your exams as well, so I can really helpful for that one as well. I have solved many questions from this textbook, and hopefully I have also helped a lot of students in their exam, maybe in their linear type questions, and other questions as well, which requires linear programming help. So you can definitely reach out me for that one as well. So I hope you like this video, and do subscribe me, and let me know if you need my help. And of course, thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Take care, and we'll talk soon. Thank you. Bye.